But let's jump in and take a look. This is a crude oil chart, today's exact crude oil chart, and it's a live chart. And it was as good as it gets, really. I mean, this is what we look for. Here was a sell signal that came in. It's about 7:30 or a little after, around 7:30 Eastern time. You've got, let me zoom in a little closer. You've got a red bar, red dot, which in a 3-minute chart. This is a 3-minute, 9-minute guidance chart. This is what makes AbleTrend so special. It's the combination of 2 time frames combined into one chart. And that's what gives us such a big advantage and why it's so well liked and why it works so well, and we get these kind of results. The key to AbleTrend are the dots, the small dots. That's where your eye should go first on the chart. The red dots means you're in a downtrend, and the red dots block or stop the prices from going any further than those red dots, like here 3 times, like here 3 times, and all day, every day for every chart. The blue dots are the 9-minute, the bigger blue dots here, are the 9-minute hidden support points. It's hidden because our software can pick it up. This is exclusive to our algorithm, so exclusive just to AbleTrend. And it tells you where the hidden support in the market is, kind of like a roadblock that blocks the price from going lower. So the small red dots are the 3-minute, the bigger red dots are the 9-minute hidden resistance points that I simply put on top of the chart. So we had a sell signal here, but the 9-minute say, no, don't do it. There's an invisible wall of support there. No trade. Anytime you've got any red or blue dots together, like right here, that's a no trade zone. We never, very simple rules. We never go short if there's blue dots below. We never go long and buy if there's red dots above, like right over here. We never go long because there's red dots above. That's it. I mean, it's that simple. So we don't go short until right in here. Here's a perfect place to go short. You've got a small red bar, and the smaller bars are always more advantageous to get in on a smaller bar than a longer bar. Here's a longer bar, and it pull back. So you got a short red bar, you've got a red dot. Now the big red dot, the 9-minute dot, didn't show up till after the fact. But that's okay. We don't have to have triple confirmation. It's nice if we do, but we don't have to. We have double confirmation right here. No more blue dots. Just see these blue dots. It's a 3-to-1 ratio. It's a 3-minute and a 9-minute. So the blue dots don't come in but every 3 bars. So I was waiting 4 bars. 1, 2, 3. No more blue dot. Now there's a clear path for the price to go lower. Home run from there. I mean, this is a trade you just dream about. I mean, this is really big money. This is like crazy money. Just trading one contract. Every time it got, a little choppy in here and a little sideways and went down and up and down and up, and then it kind of popped around. Over here it pops up. Oh no, what should I do? Stay in the trade. You're safe. You've got protection. You've got defense. As I've been saying, the red dots block the prices from going higher. So that's a good thing. When we're short, we want protection there. We want something to stop it from going higher. If it goes higher, we lose. So we don't want that. Obviously, we want it to go lower. And the red dots are telling us, stay short. You're safe. Don't get out of it. A lot of people, most people when they're trading, they get out too soon. And then they miss the big trend. Well, that's what you got AbleTrend for. It's going to help to keep you in the trades. But if you missed the beginning of that, or you tuned in late, a little after 10 o'clock here, you had a chance to get in again. Triple confirmation, and this is what we call a sweet spot. You want to look for this on your charts. When you see a setup like this, that's what you're looking for. That's a really low-risk trade with a fantastic risk-reward ratio in our favor. The bar, I love when the bars pull back. They go higher. So they pull back, so now we can get in at a much better, we can short it at a much better price. And they go from green, which means sideways, back to red again. That means the downtrend is going to start to resume again. When you see this on your chart, because it's the same rules, jump on it. That's very low risk. How did it do? Well, as you can see, it just continued to go lower. And look, every time it popped up, amazingly, the price would stop at the dots. It's like, how does AbleTrend know that? We started those dots an hour before it even happened, right here. It's like, wow, there really was a roadblock there. You continue to stay in. I mean, this was unusual trend. I mean, let's be honest. This is very unusual. It's not going to normally happen. But look over here. I mean, around 130, 140, I mean, it just took it went even lower. Well, I had a couple of people call me and said they just cashed in some crazy money on this trade. Finally, we're out over here at 47.60. But the trade, the AbleTrend said to short it at 49 and change. Let's call it 49. Whew. That's 1,400 and change.